So animal therapy is taught in the same classes as veterinary physiotherapy. Primarily it's more focused if you're wanting to be a massage therapist. So coming out of that qualification, you'll be able to be a registered qualified massage therapist out in industry. If you're wanting to look at more to do with rehabilitation and using electrotherapies, then the Masters in Veterinary Physiotherapy is more for that type of student. So we have state-of-the-art facilities here at ARU Writtle. So why you'd want to come here is we have a very large equine facility. We also have a special designated canine therapy centre that has an underwater treadmill, 2 of those, consulting rooms and a pool. So we have also a super lab facility for teaching our animal biomechanics, but also our dissection and anatomy knowledge. So we have wonderful facilities here, but equally it's to do with the teaching. So what we try to teach our students is a spiral teaching programme where we'll build up your theory through the years. But one of the unique USPs that we have here is that we have integration of external clients coming in with their animals into our canine facilities.
So what first attracted me has always been a very animal lover kind of person. I actually originally was going down a different route, and then I went to a careers event, and I never realised that you could combine kind of your love for something with studies. I was very passionate about not just doing something for the sake of it. I wanted to be passionate about what I was doing, and then I saw the course and I thought it combined both of those things very well.
So the unique aspect of our animal therapy course is we do offer a conversion route for students, and because they attend all the same sessions as an integrated master's student in the first year, we offer an option that if you achieve a 50% stage average, you can convert over to the integrated masters in veterinary physiotherapy and continue on that course after the first year. So a lot of the teaching that we do within the course is very much focused on that end goal of where you're going to go out into industry. So we don't just teach you the theoretical knowledge that you need and how to treat a patient, but it's all the wraparound things that you need to learn. So business management, dealing with clients, those personable skills, how to market yourself effectively. And those are all real key skills that students are going to need when they go out into industry. And I feel that that's what's really, really important, that we give students that educational experience. Thank you for watching. We hope that you do become one of our students here at ARU Writtle, and we look to welcome you into our state-of-the-art facilities here and a fantastic teaching experience.